Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 4. The Ghost Photograph at Greenwood Great House in St. James, Jamaica. Moving east of Rose Hall to the border of St. James and Trelawney parishes, the Greenwood Great House is another Georgian-era mansion that is said to be haunted. This estate, once owned by the family of famous poet Elizabeth Barrett Browning, houses an early 20th century photograph that reportedly contains a ghostly image. Greenwood Great House was built in the late 1700s by the Barrett family. It is now a museum filled with original antiques, from furniture to personal effects.
Follow Jamaican Truth.
Among these artifacts is an old family photograph on display. The story goes that when the photograph was developed many decades ago, an unknown figure, believed to be a deceased Barrett family member, appeared in the image. This duppy photobomb has made the picture legendary. Tour guides note that more than one guest has felt a sudden chill or a static feeling while standing near the framed photo. Some say they sense someone standing next to them when they examine it, only to find no one there. The current owners, the Benton family, embrace this haunted history. They've kept the photo on view, adding to Greenwood's charm for ghost enthusiasts. Greenwood Great House operates as a museum in Greenwood District. The ghost photograph remains in the collection, usually pointed out during guided tour as a curious piece of evidence that something or someone of the past still haunts the grounds.